Hi guys, it's Mokobe here. In this video, I will show you guys how to sell your Bitcoin in yellow cards. Let's get into the video. So, once you log into your yellow cards account wallet, after that you click on what? Bitcoin. So already transfer this coin to my what? To my yellow cards wallet. So I'll simply need so that I can be able to withdraw my money. So I'm going to click on what? Sell. After that, I'll simply need to choose the currency in which I want to sell it. So let me just say that is safer. So let me just say I want to sell, let me say 700. After that, I'm going to click on what? Next. So guys, I'm going to receive, this is the amount of Bitcoin I'm selling. This is the what I'm going to receive, that's 700 francs. So I'll simply click on what? Confirm. After that, I'll simply need to insert my PIN code. Confirm. So guys, we just successfully sell that coin. As you can see, I just received this mail from them. So guys, that's actually the way you sell your Bitcoin in Green Cat wallet. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.